So for those people that have their teeth are so bad, you cannot save them. What are their options when it comes to dental implants in your practice?
So we have many options for that. So the patients that most want is something that's fixed. They have teeth. They may be bad teeth. They may have infection, maybe mobile, but they have a fixed set of teeth right now. And that's what they want, is a fixed set of teeth. So they come in and they say, oh, I was told I had too much infection. I had too much bone loss. And I don't think that you're going to be able to get this done. You're not going to be able to take my teeth and give me another fixed set of teeth because I'm too far gone. And I'm here to tell you that's not true.
Okay.
There's almost no patient that is too far gone that we can't get them in a fixed set of teeth the same day.
So a full arch of upper and lower teeth, and you do that in one day?
One day.
Okay.
And that's, a lot of centers out there, that's not possible. That's not how it's typically done. But, with what we have on board at our office, we can get that done very easy in just a morning.
So how it's typically done at other offices is you got one place for the surgery, the extractions, another place where you put the teeth on top, and then somewhere else to get them clean. But you do it like right there.
Yes.
Is that right?
Everything under one roof. So we do
And sedation.
Yes. Yeah. So we place the implants and restore them and everything in between in one office. And we have a lab on site just down the hall that everything is fabricated right there.
So they make the teeth in the next room?
Milling, 3D printing, designing, everything right there. And our training allows us to go over to the lab techs and direct them on how we need to get them to do that. Because our residency actually was part of it, was the lab training. It's a little bit understated. It's not glamorous. It's not sexy. But that's what it takes to get from the surgery to where actually deliver the teeth. That is the engine that takes to get there. And so with that training, I'm able to train the lab techs to give us exactly what we need. There's no miscommunication. There's no lost in shipping, right? So, and it also drives down the cost. There's no middleman. Everything is in-house, done right there, efficiently, same day.
Okay, I've talked to doctors, and the way they do it is they remove the teeth, stitch up the gums, wait a little while the patient sits around in a denture, then they come back, and then they put the implant, or then they give them the teeth. But with you're extracting the teeth and giving them implants on the same day.
All the same day.
Is that right?
Almost every single time.
But it's not always done that way?
At our office it is. Doesn't mean that that's where it's done other offices. I mean, if you were coming in, what would you want?
Yeah, same day.
Yeah, exactly. So if it's possible, and not just possible, it's repeatable, it's efficient, I'm not, making mistakes or something like that, or cutting edge that I'm going to have failures. No,
You're not cutting corners.
No, it's actually more effective to be able to load them that same day and put teeth on them that same day. It actually has a higher success rate, which is counterintuitive, but it's true.
Yeah, but isn't the upper pretty good as far as like you could do the lower supported by implants, fixed teeth, but the upper has suction on a denture? Because I know you make dentures too.
Yes, we make dentures, but obviously you've never worn one. Because otherwise you would not have made that statement that, oh, they're not too bad. Well, to compare those to a fixed set of teeth, I mean, it's a whole different ballgame. It's not even close.
So the roof of the mouth is not covered at all?
The roof of the mouth's not covered at all. It literally goes right over the ridge. Right where your teeth are now, it's the only thing it covers. So you literally are chewing just as good as you ever have.
80s, 90-year-olds can do this?
100% chewing efficiency over what you had. No diminish. If you want to eat a corn on the cob, go for it. If you want to bite into an apple, bite into an apple. Anything you want.
Are they as strong or maybe even stronger than regular teeth?
Absolutely. We have options for people even that are grinders, the heavy hitters, the ones that have some, really, really grind their teeth. We still have something for them, and they're almost unbreakable.
And most of them are sedated.
Yes.
Most of them literally they could come in with teeth just falling out of their mouth. You could extract them and walking out with upper and lower teeth.
Same day. Same day.
Is that rare, or that happens a lot in your practice?
We do it every single day, every single week. And I know that sounds crazy. This is what we do. This is what we did training for. This is what we built this practice for. This is what we do. And
so this is all you do?
This is all we do.
You're not doing like fillings and cavities and all that stuff?
No. So we don't do the small stuff. So, I mean, this is why we're efficient in what we do, because we set up everything for this. At regular practice, they're set up for fillings and crowns. But we're not set up for that, because we're set up for this because this is what we're going to do, and this is what we need to be good at. And I feel like that helps us really, really focus in on these cases and be able to nail them every single time.